Tervetuloa tälle Finnairin myöhäiselle lennolle Ouluun. Olemme kohta valmiit lähtöön ja lentoaikamme tänään 50 minuuttia. Ja voitte käyttää mobiililaitteita edellyttäen, että lentotila on kytketty päälle. Toivotamme teille kaikille oikein viihtyisää matkaa. Cabin crew taking their positions, cabin crew arm your doors and cross check. Thank you. Please be ready for safety demonstration.
Welcome on board Finnair. Before departure, we would like to focus on safety. Please follow this video closely as we will be demonstrating the safety features of our aircraft. All electronic devices must now be switched off. Make sure that your armrest is in the down position and the window shade is open. Please raise your seat back to the upright position and stow your table. Under your seat. Put the jacket over your head and tighten the strap. Inflate the life jacket only when you leave the aircraft. This aircraft has 8 emergency exits, which are all marked with exit signs. All exits are equipped with slides or rafts. Escape lights at floor level lead to these exits. Cabin crew will now point out the exits nearest to you. Please pay close attention to the location of your nearest exit.